May God's peace, blessing, and mercy be upon you. Welcome, viewers and followers of Muhammad Al-Zayat channel. Today, I have a new video in which I will talk about how to publish a long video on Facebook and Messenger stories or stories. The duration of the video will be more than 26 seconds. We will implement the method with you using an easy and simple trick. Before I start explaining, if you like the video, like and share it. Subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates. First, we will enter the Messenger program. We will choose which conversation between us and which friend we will open. Click here on the photo album. Pictures and videos will appear here. Oh, I will choose with you a video that is 5 minutes and 52 seconds long. We will press it with one click. The word send and the word modify will appear here. We will click on the word edit. The page you saw appeared before us here. If you click here on the scissors or the edit mark, it will appear before us here that the video has been uploaded in its entirety, as you can see. Okay, we'll click done. After that, we will click on the word, your story. Do you want to add to your story? We will click on add. Added to your story. We will look at the rest of this page. We will go and check whether the video is about the story or not. Did he go to the studio or not? We will click here, and we see the stories. As you can see, the video is being uploaded here. Open it by clicking on it. Sending is written here. Sending. As you mentioned, the video is moving slowly due to its long duration. Okay, and with this, we have finished today's video. Don't forget to support and subscribe to the channel. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God.